Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your payday on Gusto Payroll. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and adjust the payday. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Maybe you want to be paid on the 21st instead of the 26th. But in order to adjust this, all you've got to do is log on to Gusto. On the left-hand side, click on Pay, and then from here, click on Settings. And then from here, this is where you're going to scroll all the way down. And then this is where you can actually edit your payday, which is located here. So if you click on edit, this is going to allow you to edit your payday so that you can get paid on the same day. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your payday on Gusto Payroll. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.